I received the prize for my work on social influences processes between humans and humans and humans and machines. My main interests are social influences at work. So how do humans influence each other, but also how do human and machines influence each other? How do they build trust? How does one party make the other party do something, whether good or bad? And when do people resist or accept this influence? So my latest research and really my passion is about human-AI interaction and mostly about human-AI interaction in groups that are larger than just the human and just the AI. So assuming you're a team of 3 or 4 people with several humans, but then an AI or a robot joins in. And you see, okay, how does the team dynamic change? How does the robot or AI influence the people, how they interact with each other? Do they feel observed? Do they trust the AI? How do they trust the AI? Does it depend on the other people? Timmy is our good friend and helper here in the DAX lab at Maastricht University. But increasingly such robots are our teammates, co-workers, helpers. What if several humans cooperate with Timmy on a task, and how much do they trust each other? And what I show, for example, that trust, that human-AI interaction is really a social phenomenon. I think the human side is the key side in the revolution and development of AI. How do you see your co-workers and colleagues if they use AI? And we show that people actually punish others for using AI, which is really weird, right? There's this powerful technology, and nearly everybody uses now ChatGPT, but we show in several studies that if you know that a colleague used AI to perform a task, you trust them afterwards less. And what if the opposite? What if an AI becomes charismatic? Be empathetic? Do we become skeptical? Do we resist? Or do we react and accept that in a similar manner as we would from humans? How does it change how we work, how we live, how we interact with each other, how we trust each other as humans?